Hi all, Alex is here and today I have another tip for you, and it is related to assumptions. Uh, Most of the times when we have conversations, we make certain assumptions about things that people say. And in regular conversations, maybe it doesn't matter that much, but it has a crucial importance for coaching conversations. Because when we are assuming something about what's going on their side, on our client side, uh, we basically stop being a coach. Because in order to be a coach, you need to be as open-minded as possible. And when you are focused on something, specifically on your assumption, it means that you are not coaching anymore. You are comparing this assumption to what's going on with them. For example, imagine one of your software developers come to you and says, I want to become a project manager. Okay, so you assume that this is their goal, this is their task, and you start looking for certain solutions. You know what kind of course they can take, or who can they talk to get their experience and so on. But if you start doing this, it means that you are not coaching them. If you will provide them some advice in line with your assumptions, it's not going to be coaching. Instead of that, you need to step back and start exploring what's specifically behind it, what project management means for them, why it's important for them, how would they know that they achieved it. This is exploration, not the assumption, is the coaching process. So my advice for you today is to notice when you have certain assumptions and when they start driving your questions and when they start driving your conversations. It's important when you notice your assumption to step back and explore more. So whenever you see that you narrow something down and label it as a certain thing in your head, step back and then ask more questions, as open-ended as possible. So this is it for today, and the task for you to explore your assumptions for next week. So just notice when you have the conversations, what specifically you are assuming, what is there in what they mentioned to you, and what is your part of story, what is your assumption. So I would be curious to know. If you have anything to share, put there in comments, and I'll see you soon with the next coaching tip. Take care.